My kitchen is perfectly clean, but there are some hidden pockets of clutter, and there's a couple of spots that I just always tend to place clutter on it. So I'm going to do a quick pass through and pick up the clutter that I can see, and then I'm going to look for some of the hidden clutter. Let's get it started. And the first place I'm going to start is right here on this railing. I don't know why, but I just always tend to set things up there. Look up there, I'm dropping things. But I always put things right here. Maybe I'll be working with them on the table, and then when I'm done, or I'll get distracted, and then I need to use the table, and I'll just set things over here. So I'm gonna get these things off of here, put them in this box. This card that my husband gave me for Valentine's Day, I really enjoyed it, so I've just had it sitting here for the longest so that I can continue to enjoy it. But now it's time to move it. This was in a gift that someone had given me, and why I took it out and set it up here, I don't know. And then here's a little rooster and a little squirrel, which they can stay there. So now let's see what else I need to take care of. I thought I'd take a look in this drawer. My husband's been helping me out quite a bit lately, so he's been putting away dishes, but he doesn't always put things quite where they belong. So I see some tops, just lids for different little jars and things like that that I keep that don't belong here. This is a disposable utensil, so I can discard it. I think I'm going to give these measuring spoons away. My little granddaughter would love these, and I never use them. I've got several other sets. That doesn't belong in there. Yeah, some of the stuff that's in here just doesn't go in this drawer. It goes in another drawer. So these go here. Back there. This doesn't go in here. This goes in here. Don't need to keep those plastic utensils. So that didn't take too long. And what I'm doing is just getting the things out of where they don't belong, and I'm putting them in the box, and then I'll sort things out of the box. So now that I've sorted out this drawer, let's take a look at this drawer. And this drawer is a true catch-all. It's where I keep some little odds and ends. It's my utility drawer. And when I look in here right away, I can see there's a few things that just don't belong in here, or they're not in the particular cubicle that I keep them in. So let's just sort it out. This doesn't need to be in there. This is trash. Now that drawer is done. Now I'm going to take a look at what might be in this cabinet that shouldn't be. And right away I can see I've got some mason jars in here that don't belong. I keep them elsewhere. So that's that for that one. And I can already see that there's too many things in here. Now this laundry pantry is one area that I really try to stay on top of. And I do a pretty good job of it for the most part. But every now and then I do put things where they don't belong. So let me just go through my baskets just to make sure things are where they should be. Oh, this doesn't belong here. That's what goes there. We'll get this tissue basket refilled. So now I've got this sorted out. So now I've got all the things that I wanted to take a pass at decluttering today. The other thing I want to get done though is I do want to switch out that May 2020 calendar with a nice spring picture just to kind of update the decor in the kitchen for spring. I switched out this purse for this one for spring and summer, and I just didn't take it back upstairs to the closet. So I'm going to get this and the rest of these things put where they need to be. So I'm going to get these things put where they need to be. This is going to go upstairs. This is going to go in a closet where I keep my mason jars. Some of this is going to go in the trash. We'll see what's what. But then I'm going to set the table with the look that I'm going to be using for summer. I think I'll move this. Now this just helps to brighten up this corner, and the flowers pick up the flowers there. So I'm enjoying that. This video is actually part of a collaboration hosted by Dawn at the Minimal Mom. And what she wanted us to do was to do a quick decluttering pass through our kitchen, and then if we did any updates for spring, to share that with you. So that's what I've done today. If you are not familiar with Dawn at the Minimal Mom, you are missing out. She has a wonderful channel, and she shows you how to get started into minimalism if that's what you choose to do. But she also has a wealth of information on just how to declutter and get your house under control. I will put a link to Dawn's channel in the description box below. And to see more Mega Motivation for June, be sure and click on the playlist, which I will link in the description box below, because there are so many other YouTube creators, homemakers all, who are bringing to you their take on decluttering and a little bit of summer decor. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my homemaking stories. And I will see you next time.